But why are we recommending it? I want to ask you guys why. Because it is dual fuel. This is really meant for people who are not or new to generators, who don't want to do a lot of the work or just want to have an easy time. Because what can this do? It can run on propane. It can run on propane and it can run on gasoline. And that's enormous. That's huge. That's huge. Especially at this size, because if you have a 20-pound propane tank, this thing is actually going to, this thing will just, it will run for a very, very long time. You also have your eco mode. You have the ability to paralink two of them together. So you can paralink two of the 2000s together. You have two 120 volt. You have your ground. So you want to always ground it. You always want to ground your generator just so you don't have any, you don't get any surges back. Here is your propane nozzle. So this is where you're going to be inserting your propane. They in the box, they'll come with a nozzle. Will come with a hose attachment that you put here with a regulator that you put on the tank. That's amazing because that comes inside of this for $449. So you get that all included. How you start this up is also very easy. Very simple how to start this up. Let me explain. First things, they give you sticker. They put a nice, easy to see sticker right there. They put a nice, easy to see sticker right there in order that you know the steps. Steps are super simple because it has an easy start dial. You're going to check your oil. How do you check your oil? You're going to open this up and inside there will be a oil tank. It's a sticker here. And this is where it's going to give you these steps to turn yours on. So check your oil levels. This runs on 10W30. You will get some 10W30 oil in the box. Make sure you add your gas. You're going to turn right here. So you have this is your nozzle. And this is your gas cap. So on your gas cap, there's an off and on. So we're going to put it on position. Now you're going to put this on choke. So this is choke, and that you're going to put that on choke. You're going to crank this, or you're going to pull this, and this is the cord. You pull this. You pull it once or twice for gasoline, maybe 3 to 5 times to prime the engine for if you're using propane, because the propane will have an additional step. Now you're going to put this on the fuel that you're looking for. So if I'm running gasoline, I can put it on gasoline. And this is going to be running, and now I can plug in whatever I start wanting to because this is going to be operational. If I'm using propane, what I'm going to want to do, I'm going to put it on propane, and then that, because I'm connected by fuel, the propane coming in, I'm going to start it up. Now I'm going to start it up because before I primed it, and then this motor will be operational. And that's how you use your Champion generator. Now, if you're wondering what are these key stats that you should know about this Champion, let me explain it to you. This is a 2000 starting watt and 1700 running watt. That is the most important information you should be looking at on the box. If you're wondering, what do I need to know? Yeah, that's a really nice option. So what do you need to know? You need to understand something here. A lot of generators, and technology now, because of how they start up, when you turn something on, when you turn your refrigerator on, the starting watts will be maybe in your 2000 range and your running watts will be in your 700. That means to operate it in an hour, it takes about 700 watts. But in that short burst, maybe 2, 3, 4 minutes for the motors all to get back on and to start up, that takes about 2000 watts for a refrigerator. So this can start up and operate a refrigerator. It can also operate things like a sub pump. So if you're experiencing flooding, it can operate things like a AC because it's small. This is not the largest generator you've ever seen. This is a 2000 watt generator. It's light. In terms of size, it's extremely, extremely small. In my opinion, it's only about 39.5 pounds and it is 17.3 inches this way, 17.7 inches that way, and 11.5 inches this way. It is ultra light. And at 39 pounds, it is one of the lightest inverter generators you can get. But it comes with dual fuel. it comes with quiet. So it's about 58 decibels, 23 feet away from it. And that is very quiet because most of these generators are going to be in your 70 decibel range. This is going to be 12 decibels less. You can parallel them. It comes with a 3-year warranty. This is so simple to use. If you want to check your spark plugs, they give you an open port here, so you could just check your spark plugs. And if you want to change your oil, they make it super simple, and we'll open it just to show you. And I'm doing this in real time, so everyone can see that anything I'm doing, I can do it all in real time. So if it takes me this long to do it on camera, how long do you think it'll take you to do it? Probably the same amount of time, because I'm not a mechanic, right? I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a guy who has used generators. And there's a lot of us, because as the world changes, I find this skill is pretty easy. This is very easy. Anyone can do it. And we're talking about a generator that's meant for a normal person, not someone who's an engineer, not someone who, went to school for it. I'm just talking about stuff that you can use yourself. It doesn't take a PhD in quantum physics to use this guy. You have your oil here, and this is your dipstick, so you can monitor your oil levels. So you just pour your oil in there. They give you a funnel in the box. If you want to empty the oil, you pour this out. There's a sprout there, and then that's where you're going to be pouring it out. So we'll give you a nice close-up view. So here you have your oil, and you have your sprout there, so you could just pour it. You could tilt it and pour it out. Let's close it, and that's it. If you know how to do all the steps that I've showed you, then you're pretty much going to be 100% able to operate this. No problem, because it's meant to last. It's easy to operate. It's quiet, and because it uses the inverter technology, it's going to be more. It's going to just be. It's more. It's just quieter. It's just quieter. I mean, this is what you use if you're in the cities, in the suburbs. You don't want to bother your neighbors. Now, just 2 pieces of advice that are going to say very important. This is still a generator. So that means this produces carbon monoxide. You're going to want to keeping this 25 feet from your home because you don't want to have any risk of carbon monoxide poisoning when you're operating it. And don't forget your oil changes. You're going to oil change this after 8 hours of use. So if you run this 8 hours, change the oil. That's going to keep your unit running longer and faster. Okay, so here is our champion, one of our favorite generators for anyone, especially for someone who is not the most tech savvy, someone who's looking for a generator they can operate that doesn't take a PhD to learn how to use.